Hi guys, magpapattern. Gagawa na tayo ng collar. Kita.
Wala naman eh.
Ah. Gamit man pud mo ana, dito na lang na.
1, 3.
Naara ba kayo magamit nila? Hmm?
1, 3 ra kaya tag na.
Mag-color na lang ko ani. Iwasan ko na lang ng color. Bulunjo.
Ay tagay kay pa na.
Ingon ko ligo kong bunjo, nalimot na pud kong kay naamang gud tay gidali-daling trabaho. Sixteen plus allowance. 16 plus allowance. Kimawanta aning naatay cellphone sa atong dughan. Ay tawag. Kanira para daginot. Sixteen divide to 8 plus allowance. Electric pan loy, asa naman? Nibalik og hait ning gunting na gaano. Ayan. Mayroon ng tanda ang ating color. I-attach ko na lang ito. Na. Yan na guys. Klaro kaayo atong itahi. Ato sumpa yan. Di. Baka ano na, nasa dughan na jud ang atong harness. Safety harness. Ay. Palihugloy ang gunting be. Kana. Thank you. Saluoy na yung kilodjok. Ay, sala. Napislitan ang Hasta ng ballpen ko, Loy, na erase pen. Thank you.
Saan ang may tanay dyan, Loy?
Gablog ko, Loy. Di ko mag-eat. Oh. Sige, palungon ko. Nabusog na sa kape ug tinapay. Thank you, Lord. Ay, hala.
Pwede na patingog guys.
Oh, pwede ra. Basta dili ra ads. Di ra man makapiright basta mga salida, wala ray ads. Og music kana. Kabantay man ko basta may music, copyright dayon. O nang i-delete ko dayon. Pag mga inana rang storya sa movies or YouTube, dili ra. Ay nga nung parang nahuot ang ginhawa. Nahuotan. Na ay chicken pa dito yati wa sa tong chicken. Ya? Wa man kani ari gahapon. Yung bam igani sa wa kakatilaw sa bam ini mo. Ay oo sa. Ay wala man kani ano.
Hello? Naman sir.
India harvests more cotton than any other country.
Sige sir. Salamat sir.
But in terms of yield and exports, the true powerhouse is the United States, thanks to full mechanization and highly optimized farming systems. Meanwhile, despite global controversies over Xinjiang cotton and human rights issues, China still dominates the processing stage, operating the largest textile industry in the world. So what is the real reason the whole world craves cotton so much? Compared to synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon, cotton stands out with its superior breathability and the ability to absorb up to 27 times its own weight in moisture while remaining moist, making it the top choice for brands like Calvin Klein, Levi Strauss, and Ralph Lauren. One remarkable fact was that although cotton is among the most extremely vulnerable to attacks from polluters, aphids, and threats, causing the industry to consume up to 16%. Even though cotton cultivation covers only about 2.5% of global agricultural land. And like every great story, this journey also begins with something small. At this point, billions of bowls simultaneously burst open, revealing fluffy white fibers clinging to the branches like tiny clouds, marking the arrival of harvest season, usually around September to November. Across vast fields, blanketed in white, vast brown modular cotton pickers slowly roll into action.
Loy ang dinaguman ko palihog bi.
The machines are
Ako nadala ay intaw.
dozens of rotating spindles lined with fine metal teeth glide through rows of cotton plants, standing about 1 to 1.2 meters tall. They skillfully pull the fluffy cotton from the bolls. After the harvested cotton is sucked into the machine through large intake ducts, it is fed into a compression chamber at the rear. Instead of collecting loose cotton and transporting it to a separate facility for baling like traditional methods, modern harvesters compress the cotton directly into giant round modules about 2 to 4 feet in diameter, wrapping each one in protected from moisture. When freshly formed, each roll can weigh up to 4.5 tons. Including cotton fibers, seams, after compaction and moisture stabilization, the average weight reduces to around 2.2 to 2.5 tons, greatly simplifying transportation and post-harvest handling compared to older methods. Beyond the United States, in countries like Egypt,
Okay.
Greece, Peru, and parts of India, there's another premium cotton variety you may have never heard of, extra long staple cotton. This type of cotton produces fibers that are finer, longer, and significantly stronger than regular varieties like BT cotton. Because of its high fiber value, ELS cotton is carefully hand-picked instead of machine harvested to prevent damaging the delicate premium fibers. Surprisingly, due to its price being 2 to 3 times higher than regular cotton, it's estimated that up to 95% of products labeled as Egyptian or Greek cotton on the market today are actually counterfeit. Once the harvest is
Mataas na itong
specialized
video.
workers lift the cotton modules and stack them
Hala.
onto long-haul trucks, some over 12 meters
Ay
long,
gani,
which,
Londres
fully
ra.
loaded, head straight to the processing plant,
Ay
carrying
hugaw.
freshly harvested cotton rolls. This marks the beginning of a new chapter, where raw cotton enters the giant stomach of the textile industry, embarking on its transformation journey into yarn and fabric, ready to fuel the global fashion supply chain. At the processing plant, cotton modules are unloaded from the trucks and neatly arranged in long orderly rows at the staging area outside the production round cotton modules at a time, or large rectangular bales, depending on the harvesting method used in the field. At many modern factories, once the cotton modules are transferred to the intake zone, they are further processed by a specialized bale opener, a machine designed to fully automate the unpacking process. The equipment gently secures each module in place, then uses twin clamps to carefully peel away the protective plastic wrap, allowing the entire cotton mass to drop onto a conveyor belt leading to the feeding chute. However, at smaller facilities or in semi-automated operations, workers still rely on a manual assisted method, using ropes or hooks to gradually remove the plastic wrap before feeding the raw cotton into the processing system. No matter which method is used, once the tightly compressed cotton modules are unpacked, they burst open into a chaotic mass. Clumps of tangled fibers stuck together in dense chunks. Therefore, the first step in processing is to loosen the fibers, returning them to a fluffy, free-flowing state for easier handling in the next stages. The opening machine, known as a hopper feeder, uses rotating drums combined with tooth feeders to comb and pull apart the layers of cotton, helping the fibers no longer clump together, untangling the mess without needing a comb. The next stage is primary combing, where the cotton passes through large trash removal machines designed to eliminate remaining coarse impurities. These devices use rotating drums fitted with comb-like teeth, combined with powerful suction systems, to extract debris such as soil clumps, seed husks, dead leaves, and fine dust particles. A strong countercurrent airflow works alongside mechanical agitation, effectively loosening and separating light waste materials and channeling them into a dedicated collection system. As a result, a cleaner stream of white cotton moves forward to the most critical phase of the process, separating the fibers from the seed. This is the heart of the entire cotton processing line. The moment the fibers are completely separated from the seeds. Modern cotton gins use hundreds of small, high-speed circular saw blades that rotate rapidly. As the cotton passes through the machine, these saw blades keep the fibers in a narrow spot, while the larger cotton is too big to pass and remain behind. It's important to note that only about 35% of the cotton's weight is usable fiber material, while the remaining 60% consists of cotton seed and other impurities. Millions of tons of these byproducts are not wasted. The separated cotton seeds are conveyed along the process or dedicated warehouses, ensuring stable preservation before being processed into cooking oil, livestock feed, or planting seed for the next season. Cottonseed oil has a light, neutral flavor and a high smoke point.
I wait then add certain chemicals. Imagine a life without anything feels so stuck.
The vitamins I'm taking kasi may energy.
Energy, and it supports my health so that I can be 100% my authentic self. Help level up your health with extra energy from everyone.
Making it ideal for frying and food processing. It is also richer in unsaturated fats compared to many other cooking oils, such as palm oil or lard, which makes it a popular
Ang avocado pa na, Loy?
snack food industry and commercial
Tapas.
kitchens.
Lahi na. Unsa nang gihimo nilang oil?
After the seeds are removed,
Open
cotton
seeds.
fibers move
Oh?
on to the next
Pwede.
Basta seed.
designed for deep cleaning and fiber
Pwede
refinement.
ay. Kaingon kong malabay na na.
This system uses multiple layers
Nga,
of
okay ra
rotating
pod sa health.
cylinders, serrated bars, and high-powered suction to
Murag
eliminate
wala.
any
Taas,
remaining
mahulog ang
impurities,
saturated
such as
fats.
fine
Murag wala
dust,
pa man ta katilaw pud ana.
short,
Cotton seed, no?
fibers.
Ay, thank you Lord.
The cotton fibers are compressed
Na
into
hanggang
large
dito na
bales
lang lain na
using
pud tong
powerful
sa button hole.
Packing each block of cotton cotton with standard
Bugaw
size
naman eh.
the weight of about
Color attachment lang yun.
kilograms per bale. This time, the cotton is no
Mag-
longer pressed into round modules,
Magbutunol na lang ko. Unya na po to.
making storage, stacking, and transportation in factories much neater and more efficient. A critical step after baling is sample testing, not only to prevent commercial fraud, but also to help textile mills proactively manage risks related to raw material origins, especially as Xinjiang cotton faces strict global scrutiny. After grading and classification, the bales are neatly stacked in specialized storage warehouses.
May diskarga siguro. Tangke. Nag-order ka ay sa pika siguro.
Placed by spinning mills, the
Sila,
cotton
ma'am.
bales are
Rod.
loaded onto transporters and dispatched
Ay, nag-deliver tangke.
completing the journey from raw field harvested material to clean,
Na, okay na yan.
standardized product.
Button hole na lang tayo.
Textile production.
Button hole.
Compressed cotton bales are first arranged in long rows. An automatic bale opener runs along these rows,
Dapat mas
using
mababa.
rotating spikes or cutting rollers to gently shave off thin
Hindi ra ka
layers
magdalaan
on the
ng
surface of each
extra
bale.
na.
The loosened cotton is then sucked up through an air duct
Thank you for watching,
system,
guys.
pre-opened